like gummies. I'm a plain lover. Same, Shaq. Same. A 3D printer. Yes, I've got 2 resin. I think if you type in !mark printer, it might tell you. I can't remember. I know I do have a command. I've got 2 resin and 2 FDM. Such a nerd. Gotta be a nerd, otherwise life is boring. There you go. I knew I had a command. I have 2 of the little animatronic Grow, a pop one, and some minis, and a Build-A-Bear. I've got a load of plushies. A couple of Funkos.
She got the same Build-A-Bear.
Yeah, I think she's got the same Build-A-Bear. I've got an animatronic one too. It's called Snacking Grogu, and you can feed him. Fancy stuff. Looks really good. Well, thank you. Resin. Oh, no. Resin is fantastic. I love it. It's great for doing detail stuff, but the FDMs are great for doing big stuff. Outstanding. Does he eat frogs? Well, he does like frogs. Actually, I didn't think about that. He might eat them. No, Grogu. These are not edible. I've told him. So what you guys got planned for Star Wars Day? Anyone doing anything exciting? I don't like these Sour Patch Kids. They're all getting stuck in my teeth. You're older than you, respect your elders. Alright, fair enough. Fair enough. Needs to learn to model would make cosplay so much easier. That's true. Watch you pair frobs! The best kind of day, exactly. Well, I'm always at work. I don't know why I'm being sad about that. I am sad. Killing peeps. What else? What you playing, Jax? Add BRB! I really want to finish these. They're all stuck in my teeth. I know, right, Danny? Did you see that Build-A-Bear brought out a massive one that you could get at one of them? So cute. I've got Monarch today. I actually really like this one. Back! Welcome back, Beans! No, this is the thing. I'm going to tell you anyway. Yeah, I know. With white and pink gills. Oh! I was, see if you've soon, then more Fortnite. I was playing, Avatar last night. If you guys hadn't noticed that I reactivated the Avatar screenshots channel in Discord. I may have accidentally taken 30 photos already. What? What? I have no self-control over that game. I'm watching Star Wars at the moment, and later I go to my brother's house because there is a little party. Oh my god, Harry, hope you have an amazing day. I might save for a what? You found one, Sazzles? I ain't found one yet, but then I've not really had the chance to play. My wrist was really hurting yesterday playing Avatar. I had to keep stopping and taking breaks. I'm gonna... Thing is, I really want to play it, but I don't know whether or not I should just sit and watch something tonight.
Watch something for an hour and then play. But take breaks in between and stuff.
I finished work yesterday around 3:30, 4ish, and I sat with ice on my wrist for a while. Quick, join on Sazzles! I haven't even found him yet. I haven't found one. Where did you find it, Sazzles? On my cruise, we get distracted by shit roads to find them. Oh my god. You need to rest that hand. I know, Pixie. I didn't get the scam booked in yesterday because nobody called me back. So, I am going to rest tonight, yeah. I don't want to because I want to play Avatar, but I think I need to just watch something. Amy said I have to, otherwise I'm getting a punch. I think that's abuse.
Nah.
She just went, nah. It's a bit rude. Mem Treasury? Oh, so you can find them in treasuries. Movie night in Discord. What do you want to watch? I'm with Amy. Wow. Why are you guys being rude? Why are you letting her do this to me? Why are you being rude?
Because...
No, I wasn't asking you, Amy. You stink. Do what's best for you. I know. In Discord, they're nice and chill. How do you do movie nights? Do you all just put the film on at the same time, or do you watch it through Discord? Twinkle Toes Queen! No, she smells. She stops me messing up your hand. This is true. Through Discord, you screen share and then everyone just joins in the chat. I thought you could get into trouble for screen sharing, watching films like that. Purple team smells actually. Blue team, best team! If it's pirated, yeah, I think otherwise it seems to be okay. I have no idea. I mean, only if you're streaming publicly. I had something else playing. It stops and all I hear. What? Yes, Danny? I haven't listened to this song for ages. I used to listen to the whole album. Like broadcasting for people outside Discord. Ah, okay. Put some brown sauce on there. didn't understand it until, yeah, same, Sazzle, same. Sitting in your living room. That's true, Blue. Yeah, Danny, I did, yeah. 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 That's why I can't listen to it. I can only listen to certain songs from that album. To join him. Every movie runs. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Did you hear Friendly Fire? Was that the new one that got released? I think I did listen to it, but I can't remember. That's probably why I can't listen to that album anymore.
What song is it?
It's Linkin Park. You know, his album One More Light. I was listening to Heavy.
I never really listened to them before.
On vinyl? Have you actually? That's really cool. The latest Aliens film. It was painful but fun. I had it on pre-order. God, when did that come out? Hey, bud, how you doing? Didn't know you were alive. Hope you're doing well. Need a good relaxing stream? Welcome on in, bud. Hope you're doing well. Make sure I never paint more than 5 frogs at a time again in my life, okay? Because these guys hate them. I mean, I can't. I don't really, but can you just make sure I never paint more than 5 again in my life? Thank you.
Make sure you paint more than 5.
No, Amy. No. I don't want to paint more than 5. Thank you. I feel like I'm going to be here for hours again today. I don't know why.
Why don't you just focus on getting like 2 finished at a time?
Well, no, I'm doing all the detail. It's just the detail on it. Why do I put so much detail into things? Why can't I just be a simpleton and just not put detail into things? Why do I have to be a perfectionist? Why?
Wait, which colour's what?
What?
Oh, that's the...
Oh. Wow, 7 years. 7. No. 7 years. Okay.
Oh, he has stopped working.
Chloe has stopped working. What? Because you're good and you love your craft, I'm sorry! Wasn't that recent, Danny? I saw people talking about it, but I didn't watch it. I'll probably just start crying, so. I was crying at Avatar yesterday, so, you know. Right at the beginning of the game, when I was getting my Banshee, when something happened in the game where I cried the first time I played it. I've got an Avatar Frontiers of Pandora screenshot channel in my Discord where I literally spammed it the first. I mean, I took over 200 screenshots. Okay, right. And I absolutely spammed it when I was playing the game the first time. I kind of started doing it again. Now I'm playing it again. Whoopsie. Was a while ago. Oh no, I couldn't have watched that. I would have just started crying. Yeah. Like mentally and emotionally. Oh my god, Jax! Where'd you get that from? Is it a global remote? Is it new? Amy, have you got it?
Yeah, I'll buy it.
I got it too! Yay! So once I get the detail on these handles painted, it's I'm wondering if I should use a bigger brush maybe. I've just got to do the brown on the frogs themselves. They have like brown lines on them. And then the rest of the detail on the green on the handle, and then they're pretty much done. So we're getting there. Okay, one down. I might try a bigger paintbrush. See how that works. So, which one of you does the 3D mod? Amy. Amy does with the files. Did. Oh, really? No worries. So we're gonna do a little extra shopping trip. All right, can you get me some stuff, please? I'll have some crumpets. I don't know. That's the first thing that came to my head. So can I have some crumpets, please? Thanks. How about you send me money? Alright, fine. Just get me the crumpets. I don't care. Just get me crumpets. I will get you. Oh. Sour! No, I want crumpets! I couldn't be any more British, could I? Why would you do that, Danny? No. That's as bad as Sumo eating crumpets raw. Alright? No. That's just wrong. You do it, Danny. I dare ya. I'll probably get sick. I mean, I'll try a toxic waste. Raw crumpets now, bad him. I know. Like, no, you're supposed to toast them. And then cover them in peanut butter and butter. Peanut butter and butter. That's what I normally do. Or just butter. You know. But it's all got to be toasty. And they've got to be slightly melted. The butter's got to be melted. Not the crumpet. That would be weird. English muffins are better. No, sorry, crumpets are better. Sorry. I mean, JC, I've had the American ones. They were pretty tasty. I'm not gonna lie. They're in a long old packet. I know the label was orange and there was like 6 in the packet. They were so nice. No worries, Danny. Dripping with butter. Yes. Yes, Shax.
I miss.
It's fine. Someone forgot to get me butter. I almost had to have dry. Ugh. No, you can't have them dry. That's just weird.
I miss.
What's stotty bread?
Like crumpets and muffins.
I miss being able to get crumpets. I need crumpets stat. Morning, Captain Zero. Oh no! It's like super enriched bread, so it's almost like cake. Oh, I love cake. Cake! It's been a long day. But crumpets need butter! They do. They do need butter. Won't forget ever again. Good! Though Pop-Tarts make good breakfast. Oh, what flavour Pop-Tarts? I don't like the chocolate ones. The jam ones are nice. My favourite is cinnamon sugar. The cinnamon sugar ones, I can only eat one though. They give me massive toothache. Sweet things give me really bad toothache if I eat too much of it. The crumpets? Oh, I've never had it, Sazzles. I left all the hot fudge ones for Rage. Is it the hot fudge sundae ones? They were okay. But always be supreme. The hot fudge were nice, I will say. Yeah, I do like bland food. I'm a fussy eater. Fuzzy eaters alive. We don't talk about fuzzy eaters. Rage will complain. Mate, I don't like certain textures and stuff. So thank you for the follow, Peter Griffins. I appreciate you. I wish I wasn't a fussy eater. Round for free comic bay. I got a few shops here I was going to hit up. No, they don't do anything like that here. Captain Zero, which sucks. I'm the exact opposite. I'll eat almost anything. Today is free comic book day. I'm just happy eating like a 5-year-old. Leave me alone. I wish I wasn't fussy so that I could eat better. But mine is I don't like certain textures of food. Like if you're eating pasta and you got peppers in it, and the peppers are crunchy but the pasta's soft, I don't like it. I don't like it. Do not fear, Bacon is here. Hi, Bacon! Thank you, whoever gave Bacon a shout out. Everyone go follow Bacon. Everyone loves Bacon, so, you know, go give Bacon a follow. Who doesn't love Bacon? How you doing, Bacon? Bacon bits. She does it in Beardley's. It's always beans. To be fair, I don't even know how to do the shout out that way. I can't remember. People tell me and I just don't remember. I would have shout out ages ago. I see her there. See, Shax is... Yeah, but Shax, you're not God's Sword. When Sea of Thieves Fest is July 12th. 12th and the 13th. Captain Zero. I would never. Side-eye maybe. But never complain. No, I don't. I do wish I wasn't fussy. It's one of the things I hate. I could just eat like a normal person. But I just don't. I'll try things. But my thing is I don't like trying food and then wasting it. So I won't try food. In fear of wasting. I don't like wasting food. But yeah. Shax doesn't deserve a sword. No, he doesn't. He really doesn't. He stinks. 5-year-old diets are the best, though. You got a point, you know. Just live off chicky nuggies. That's all you need. I can snack till I find something